Hello, kids. Welcome to Tam's Imagination, where magical bedtime stories begin. Today's story is The Blanket of Kindness. Once upon a time, in a small, snowy village, lived a little boy named Ali with his grandmother. They were very poor and their house was made of old wood. But Ali had something very special, a blanket his grandmother had made from bits of cloths for many years. This blanket wasn't just warm, it had a secret. Whenever Ali shared it with someone sad or cold, they felt loved and happy. One cold night, Ali saw a stray puppy shivering near a doorstep. He wrapped the puppy in his blanket and held it close. The puppy wagged its tail and licked Ali's face. That night, both slept peacefully. The next day, an old man sat by the road, coughing from the cold. Ali tore a piece of his blanket and gave it to the man. "This will keep you warm," he said. And he smiled. The man's eyes filled with tears. Ali kept sharing pieces of his magical blanket with a sad classmate, a lost child, or even a bird with a broken wing. One day, the blanket was almost gone. Ali felt a little sad. That night, his grandmother saw him looking worried. She smiled and said, "My child, kindness never disappears, it grows. Look outside." Ali opened the door and gasped. All the people and animals he helped stood in front of him, holding little squares of clothes, all stitched from the pieces Ali had given them. Together they sewed a brand new blanket, even bigger and warmer than before. From that day, Ali knew the more love you give, the more it comes back. And he slept under the blanket of kindness every night. And that's the end of the today's story, kids. Hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow with another magical bedtime story. Good night.